One of the most important things about using this application is to understand that this is the parent record, and in the parent record there are child records that are after this. Those child records are anything that is below this particular record after the booking screen, because those screens are all tied back to this client. So on the main screen where we have an unlocked lock, that means you can add new records here. If you go to other screens, first thing you need to be aware of is that if they are a parent, also a parent screen, this unlocked lock will be there that allows you to add a new record. If it does not have a lock or the lock is closed, that means do not add records in that screen. The next place we're going to discuss is the main menu and what the main menu does. The main menu allows you to have a location where you can see all the main screens that we're talking about. For example, this is the parent screen or the booking screen. This would be a child screen, which is the calendar screen for the business. The products and services screen is another parent record. The portal for that parent screen is this one, which is a child record. The booking UDF screen is also a child record. The billing is a child. The invoice is a child. The payments are a child. The expenses are, this is a parent record, and so is the employee a parent record. All of these screens in this blocked area down here are all child records too. That's the main screens above them, meaning that if you're going to create any new records, where you're allowed to create them, it would be in this area. None of these areas down here are screen records, would be a place where you would create a new record. These are normally listings, they are portals, or they're reports. You do not create new reports because the information that comes from the parent record, in this case the billing record, is the report that is used to identify the what the process is in the child screen from the main screen. Now, each one of these is a video that is added for that particular screen. These repeat on the booking screens or wherever they are. So if you need to run the videos, like this would be video 1 and 2 in the booking screen, and then the booking report itself. Some of these particular screens may have additional information on them from the main menu, and as far as navigating around. We already talked about most of these screens up to this point, with the exception of the inventory or product services screen, which is this one here. We will be talking about the portal, the booking UDFs. We've already talked the billing invoice, the payments, and then we'll have to cover these two last. On most of these screens, you'll see that there's a developer website link up here, and that'll take you to the developer's website if you have questions that you need to go and look at there. In addition, the add and see the locks up here, add OK and not OK are pictured, so you can tell the difference between the icons that show you the actual parent and child screens that you should be able to use. Now, as far as looking at the videos online on YouTube, this little gear here, if you click on it, you can move up to 720 HD, and the screens will look a lot better in 720 HD. That helps you to read the screens when you're looking at them. If it's not available on particular movies, that is because they were probably recorded earlier on a different version of a different app, or it's not available in that recorded version. But if you come in there and it's, say, for example, 340, you want to boost it up to 720 so you can clearly see the screen like you do here on this tour of this main menu. Okay, as before, if you have any information that you need, you can be assisted by giving me a call or sending me an email. The last thing I'll cover before we leave is these two items. This will take you back to the appointment screen. So, for example, if you left the appointment screen and came directly here, you could go directly back to the appointment screen from here to edit the appointment. And this one will show you the menus and hide them. Okay. Thank you for taking this video.